Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can insert degrees in Excel. So let's start. Sometimes we face difficulties in inserting degrees in Excel. So today we will see how we can insert that. To insert, you have to go to insert menu and select the symbol of uh, basic from basic Latin. If you go a little bit, this is the degrees icon. If I select this, it will turn in blue. Then insert, the degrees is inserted here. So here we can, if I select this cell, I can see that in the formula bar we can write 40 degree Celsius. uh, we are inserting this again, maybe 50, and then from basic Latin, here is the icon, insert. It is insert. C or F, we Fahrenheit, maybe. Okay, so this is how we can insert degrees in Excel. Now uh, I will show another way to insert degrees. Uh, we can change the format as degrees in this cell, so that after that when we change the format of this cell, any number we enter into this cell, that will be converted into degree. So how we can do that? Let's see. First I'm selecting this cell, then from home menu I am clicking this icon, and from custom, here to insert the degree, first of all insert a hash sign. After that, press Alter and hold. Don't leave your finger from the key. After holding Alter, type 0176. Then pull your finger from the Alter key. You will see a degree symbol is added here. If I click OK, then in this cell the cell is formatted into degrees. If I drag across, then all the cells are formatted that way. Now if I input any data, 45, it will be shown as degrees. 0176 is the code for, here 0 is not okay, I'm as text value. So 0176 is the code for degrees. Okay, so now if I add any number up to this, all the number will convert it into degree. Okay, so this is how we can insert degrees in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.